you a fan of non-traditional holiday colors? Hello everyone, Miss Carrie here. Today I'm going to unbox a new monthly kit and share what I have planned for this collection. I recently received the November Color Rush Studio kit, and as you can see, this collection has a soft, non-traditional color palette. Before I share how I plan to use the kit, we're going to thumb through the patterns in the Holly Jolly collection and take a closer look at the embellishments. Each month, Color Rush Studio offers you a mix of bold patterns and some simpler ones like plaids and polka dots. It gives you a great selection to work with. There are some lovely gold undertones that bring warmth to the patterns and a few bright colors that you could bring out with your favorite cardstock. These are double-sided, but unlike most paper packs, the patterns on the back and the front vary. In the Holly Jolly kit, some of the designs are replicated, but others, like the floral, are only available on one print. Most of the elements in the kits have a Christmas theme, with candy canes, Christmas trees, and gingerbread men, but there are plenty of winter pieces too, and you could use those for the upcoming season. The Holly Jolly kit also comes with a cut-apart page. I like the matching icons on here, and I'm a fan of tags and borders. I can't wait to use these on a project. Every Color Rush Studio kit comes with a set of frazzle and ribbon. The Holly Jolly collection has a large pom-pom trim, pink striped cotton, a soft velvet ribbon, and a small pom-pom trim. The kit also has a set of foam alphas for titles. These thickers are silver glitter with a bright pink edging. I'm crushing over the epoxy buttons from So Scrap and Happy Studio. These are glossy adhesive flares with designs that match the kit. The snowmen, Holly Jolly, nutcrackers, and gifts are all too cute. This one here says Merry Christmas, and I really like that little car with the tree on top. One of the embellishments you could receive is a set of fabric gingham hearts. These are textured with a solid backing. There's also a collection of fabric glitter crowns. These would be great for a birthday party page or some photos of your kids in a nativity play. All right, let's dump out the die cuts because I want you to be able to see all the detail on these. Like the rest of the Holly Jolly kit, they have a watercolor-like look with muted hues. These have a glossy finish, and they're a great size for scrapbook pages and holiday cards. You have a nice mix of winter and Christmas images. These would be fun to record baking memories, a trip to the ballet, or opening gifts around the tree. The ornaments and stockings would make a great frame around a photo with the Merry Christmas sentiment. Throughout the month of November, I'll be sharing Christmas projects here on my YouTube channel and in my Facebook group. This week, I'll be sharing a scrapbook page tutorial during my live crafty coffee hour using items in the kit. Later in the month, I'll show you another project you can make with this Holly Jolly collection. Before you go, I want to remind you of a few more pieces that you don't want to miss from Color Rush Studio. In the subscriber Facebook group, there are free SVGs that you can download. Each one matches this kit and are yours to keep for future projects. If you are totally head over heels with this collection, Color Rush Studio also has an acrylic kit that matches the designs. If you are more of a traditional Christmas scrapper, she also has created a kit with bold reds and greens. In the description below, I've added links to each of those kits and a link to the Facebook group. Don't forget to tap on that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the projects I create with the Holly Jolly kit. I'll be sharing the first project live in my Facebook group this Thursday and showing some project photos on my social media website and Pinterest boards. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions about this kit or the items I shared with you, feel free to post those in the comments below. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see what you create.